If you've ever wondered how Lucidspark works, this video is for you. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the basics so you can start using Lucidspark with confidence, whether you're brainstorming ideas, building a mind map, or collaborating with a team. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you need to do is create a board. Go to Lucidspark and sign into your account. Once you're inside, click the plus new button, then choose Lucidspark, and finally select blank board. That gives you a clean workspace where you can start building out your ideas from scratch. This is the home base for everything you'll do in Lucidspark. Now that your board is open, let's talk about moving around. Lucidspark gives you a large infinite canvas, so it's important to know how to navigate it. You can click and drag the canvas to move around the board. If you want to zoom in or out, just use your mouse wheel. And if you ever lose track of your content, click Zoom to Content and Lucidspark will quickly bring your work back into view. That makes it much easier to stay organized, especially when your board starts getting bigger. Next, let's add some ideas. One of the easiest tools to use is the Sticky Note tool. Click the Sticky Note icon, then click anywhere on the board to place one. After that, just type your idea. You can repeat this process as many times as you need. This is great for brainstorming because each idea can live in its own note, making it easy to move, sort, and group later. If you want to add more structure, you can also use text or draw directly on the board. Click the Text tool if you want to create headings, labels, or longer notes. If you need to sketch, annotate, or freehand draw something, select the Pen tool. These tools are useful when you want to mix visual thinking with written ideas, especially during planning sessions or collaborative workshops. Once you've added your ideas, the next step is organizing them. You can select related sticky notes and move them together so your board starts making more sense visually. If you want to group a section, press F to create a frame around the notes. Frames help separate different topics or phases of a project. You can also add tags or colors to categorize your ideas, which makes it much easier to scan the board and find what matters fastest. Another powerful feature in Lucidspark is the Mind Map tool. To use it, open the Organizer's menu and select Mind Map. Then type your main topic in the center. From there, press Tab to create a subtopic, and press Enter to add another topic at the same level. This is a really fast way to turn a single idea into a full visual outline, and is perfect for planning, content strategy, project planning, and more. Lucidspark also makes collaboration simple. When you're ready to work with other people, click Share in the top right corner. You can enter email addresses or copy the share link and send it to teammates. Once they join, everyone can contribute on the same board, which makes Lucidspark especially useful for remote brainstorming, team meetings, and creative planning sessions. So that's the basic answer to how Lucidspark works. You create a board, move around the canvas, add sticky notes and text, organize everything into frames or color groups, build mind maps, and collaborate with others in real time. Once you understand these core tools, Lucidspark becomes a really flexible workspace for turning messy thoughts into clear ideas. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.